Mammoth, baby. I'm gonna go pick up my homie Matt. He's moving back to Ventura. I'm pretty psyched about that. Driving his dad's Tacoma right now. It's pretty sweet, not gonna lie. It's ready to bounce, guys. I'm just getting started, man. So we made it to Shadow Lake. It's a little hike up the hill, wasn't too bad. It's cold, and the wind's kind of blowing. We didn't bring towel. I'm just making excuses because I'm a little bitch, but it is cold. To the hot springs. Sun's about to set. I think it's setting already, so I'm probably not gonna get any good shots. We'll see. We'll see. So it's my last day in Mammoth. I was packing up all my stuff and realized my GoPro was missing. Thought about where I had it last, and we were at Devil's Post Pile yesterday, and I left the GoPro on a log where we were hanging out. So I called up the ranger station over here, and they told me they got it. So I'm sitting at the gate right now. They're gonna let me in for free and waive my $10 fee, so I can just go in there and get my GoPro. Thank God it's here. Oh, I was so worried. It would have been my 4th GoPro lost. I'm not really good with GoPros. But I'm psyched because there's some sick footage on there that I really wanted to use. So now we'll have it. Check time. Just going to shoot some guns. This is going to be an experience for me. I have not shot a gun since I was like 10 years old. I'm excited.
Shoot that brick.
Yo. That was sick.
Powerful, huh?
Probably spread your legs a little more. There
Yeah,
you go.
get like a power stance where you're comfortable.
There you go, yeah.
Yeah, like a comfortable stance.
Powerful. Go. Nice, rolling.
Yeah, you got it.
You can shoot with the camera, you can shoot with the gun.
Did I hit it all 3 times right there?
Yeah.
Yeah, I think so.
We made it. Just got done shooting guns. Now I'm about to go on a sick little mountain bike ride. I'm gonna switch over to the GoPro because I don't really want to bring this camera on a mountain bike ride. It's all downhill. It starts right there. So.
I'm sitting at home, dream of a new destination, lust for something unknown. Oh, you better leave it alone, and you know I'd rather get up and go. How long can I lie around waiting for it? Sometimes you gotta walk out the door.
Thorns. Ow. Oh. Well, I got that on video.
Happening. What's happening? It's the happening. What's happening, Matt?
Well, today is the day I'm moving out of my house in Mammoth Lakes, California.
You're saying goodbye once again.
Yeah, I've been up here for 6 years. Going on 6 years. It's been a wonderful and interesting ride, but now it's time for a new adventure.